In a stunning turn of events, Ethereum ETFs have recorded over $1 billion in inflows in just one day. This unprecedented surge marks a significant shift in institutional interest within the cryptocurrency market. Here's everything you need to know. Looking ahead, several critical scenarios could emerge from this unprecedented institutional demand for Ethereum. Recent reports indicate a surge in interest from major financial institutions, driven by the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as legitimate asset classes. This interest marks a pivotal moment for Ethereum, which has been vying for recognition alongside Bitcoin, the long-established leader in the cryptocurrency market. The recent approval of Ethereum-based exchange-traded funds (ETFs) has fueled this institutional momentum, providing a regulated pathway for large investors to enter the space. First, we must monitor whether ETF inflows remain strong over the next few sessions. Continued interest could signal a sustained shift toward Ethereum, potentially igniting a broader Ethereum-led altcoin phase. This would not only bolster Ethereum's market position, but could also encourage other altcoins to gain traction, thereby diversifying the investment landscape. Second, attention will be focused on whether Ethereum can break and hold above its previous record price zone of around $4,800. Achieving this milestone could catalyze further investment and solidify its position as the leading altcoin, attracting even more institutional players looking to diversify their portfolios. Lastly, investors will be watching for any capital rotations into major altcoins such as Solana and Dogecoin, which have already demonstrated strong relative gains. If inflows persist, we might witness a transformative shift in the cryptocurrency landscape, characterized by heightened competition and innovation among emerging technologies. Conversely, if the momentum cools, the recent surge could be seen as a fleeting moment of institutional positioning, raising concerns about market stability. In the coming weeks, the market will reveal whether this institutional enthusiasm can translate into long-term stability and growth for Ethereum and its altcoin counterparts, shaping the future of digital finance. The foundation for today's record-breaking demand can be traced back to several pivotal trends in the cryptocurrency market. Recently, Bitcoin has soared to unprecedented heights, reaching new all-time highs. This remarkable surge has significantly boosted confidence among institutional investors, who are now more willing to allocate substantial capital to this volatile yet promising asset class. The resurgence in Bitcoin's price has created a broader risk appetite that has permeated the entire cryptocurrency market, encouraging a wave of investment across various digital assets. Moreover, the introduction of Ethereum ETFs has simplified access for institutions keen on entering the crypto space, making it easier than ever to gain exposure to these innovative technologies. Ethereum's critical role as the backbone of the DeFi movement, along with its ongoing relevance in the tokenization narrative, has kept it firmly in the spotlight for allocators seeking alternatives to Bitcoin. Historically, similar surges in cryptocurrency markets have been observed when conditions favor riskier assets, leading to shifts in investor sentiment. The current climate has evolved from questioning whether cryptocurrencies are acceptable investments to a more nuanced discussion about which specific assets present the most attractive opportunities. This transformation highlights the maturation of the market as investors become increasingly sophisticated in their approach to digital currencies. Looking ahead, the potential for continued growth remains strong, especially as regulatory frameworks become clearer and institutional adoption increases. The convergence of traditional finance and cryptocurrency markets is likely to accelerate, paving the way for innovative financial products and services. As new players enter the space and existing ones expand their offerings, the cryptocurrency market is poised for further evolution, suggesting that the coming months could be pivotal in shaping the future landscape of digital assets. The recent record-breaking investment in Ethereum signifies a crucial turning point in the cryptocurrency market. As institutional capital begins to shift its focus beyond Bitcoin, this trend highlights an evolving landscape that could redefine the future of digital assets. Ethereum, known for its robust smart contract capabilities, serves as the backbone for a multitude of decentralized applications and services. This surge in investment into Ethereum reflects a broader recognition of its potential, as more investors seek exposure to assets that provide utility beyond mere speculation. Historically, Bitcoin has dominated the cryptocurrency space, often regarded as a digital gold or a store of value. However, Ethereum's unique attributes, such as its ability to facilitate decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens (NFTs, are attracting increasing attention. The DeFi ecosystem, which allows users to lend, borrow, and trade without traditional intermediaries, is rapidly growing. This growth is supported by Ethereum's infrastructure, which enables innovative financial products that appeal to both retail and institutional investors. The implications of this investment trend are significant for the cryptocurrency market. Firstly, the heightened demand for Ethereum from regulated investment products could establish a new source of capital inflow. A sustained increase in Ethereum's price could create a positive feedback loop, attracting further investments and driving prices even higher. Secondly, as Ethereum gains momentum, it often acts as a catalyst for the broader altcoin market, leading to an upswing in prices across various cryptocurrencies. This ripple effect can enhance market sentiment, fostering a more bullish environment for digital assets overall. Looking ahead, the growing institutional interest in Ethereum could signal the beginning of a new phase in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. As Ethereum continues to gain traction, it has the potential to overtake Bitcoin as the leading investment choice for institutions. This shift would not only reshape the investment landscape, but also encourage further innovation and development within the blockchain space. With Ethereum's upcoming upgrades aimed at improving scalability and sustainability, the future appears bright for investors looking to capitalize on this evolving market. The next few months will be crucial in determining whether Ethereum can maintain its momentum and solidify its position as a leader in the cryptocurrency sector. On May 23, 2026, Ethereum ETFs experienced an astonishing influx of investment, pulling in over $1 billion in a single day. This marks the largest single-day investment into Ethereum ETFs ever recorded. The surge in interest pushed total ETF assets above $10 billion, a significant milestone that underscores the growing institutional adoption of cryptocurrency assets. This event occurred against the backdrop of a broader cryptocurrency market that has been steadily gaining strength, with Bitcoin recently achieving new highs, indicating a robust risk appetite among institutional investors. The influx into Ethereum ETFs suggests a crucial pivot point, as large-scale investors are beginning to diversify their portfolios beyond Bitcoin, which has dominated institutional interest for months. Historically, Ethereum has been viewed as the second-tier cryptocurrency, primarily known for its smart contract functionality and decentralized applications. However, this dramatic surge in investment reflects a shift in perception. Increasingly, institutional investors are recognizing Ethereum's potential to disrupt traditional financial systems through innovative decentralized finance, DeFi, solutions. The most shocking aspect of this development is the sheer volume of capital flowing into Ethereum in such a short time frame, signaling newfound confidence in the cryptocurrency's underlying technology and its critical role in the evolving digital economy. The impact of this influx is multifaceted. It not only boosts Ethereum's market capitalization, but also enhances its credibility among skeptics who question the sustainability of cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, this trend may encourage other institutional investors to follow suit, leading to a ripple effect across the cryptocurrency landscape. As Ethereum solidifies its position as a viable alternative to Bitcoin, it may inspire further innovations within the DeFi space, ultimately fostering a more diverse and resilient financial ecosystem. Looking ahead, the momentum generated by this investment surge could pave the way for even greater institutional participation in Ethereum and other altcoins. As regulatory frameworks become clearer and more supportive, the potential for Ethereum to capture a larger share of the cryptocurrency market appears promising. With an increasing number of financial instruments being developed around Ethereum, its future as a cornerstone of digital finance seems more assured than ever, positioning it for significant growth in the coming years. As Ethereum's institutional demand surges, will this mark the beginning of a new altcoin era? Share your predictions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analyses.